from some of Andrea's friends at Columbia.
Oh.
So who's riding now? Is this your student?
She's not my student, but she boards with me.
Uh-huh.
That's Zimmy. He's a 22-year-old quarter horse.
He's 22?
Uh-huh.
He's cute.
He's beautiful. Andrea was just saying we need like more of him.
Wow, he's 22?
Yeah.
He's a quarter horse?
Yep.
He doesn't look quarter horsey, does he?
He looks, yeah.
Really?
He just moves really nicely. He's got such a good personality, too. Well, she is not going to like my awesome photography skills here. Hi, pretty.
Are you next or have you already moved?
No, I'm next. Why, you want to ride with me? Saddle up and ride with me. We'll do little jumps.
Uh,
Didn't you jump?
I haven't jumped